This is how to make a melted snowman sensory bag. Adult supervision is required. The supplies you need is a gallon Ziploc bag, shaving cream, 5 large buttons, black foam craft sheet cut into a hat shape, colorful or orange craft sheet cut into a triangle. So now, Danny, look, we're going to spray the shaving cream in. Do you want to see? Nah. Yeah? Say yay! Smile. You smile. Okay, we're gonna put some more shaving cream in. Yay! And then squish. Wait, we have to get some air out. We have to get some air out, Danny. I heard that refreshing air. Look, you try it. Whoa! Danny's still here. Can I add some? Here. It's really fluffy, right? We could probably use this. Fix it. This shaving cream for slime. Maybe. We might do that in another video. My turn! Yeah, we can probably make a slime video. So we might do it, maybe not. So we might see it. Make sure to stay tuned. And also subscribe if you want to see it. And like. Okay. Here, Danny, let's put a little bit more. Can I add it? Be careful though. Okay, that's it. Okay. This is cool. Danny, squish it. Whoa. I put the cap on. Let's see this. Can I see? Oh my god. Oh, so cool. I don't think we did it right. Yeah, we definitely did. Look at how it turned out. It's a cool sensory project for toddlers and even kids ages like me. It turned out so cool, right, Danny? And me. Yeah, so cool. You want to try? Oh, yeah.